Who stays and who goes?
Oh, you just stumbled on something incredibly cool and you will be impressed. Just give me 1 minute. I am WahalaWitGrace, and I'm a solo actor. And even I wonder, I know they tire. So we have this very rare trending event in our universe as we close down on the top 3 characters chosen by people like you. This is for our relationship reading series, and you're about to see their manifestos in a totally different light. Normally, with the past 3 series, we have casted and picked lead characters. They do manifestos where they come in character and tell you why you should vote them. But this time, we are changing the rhythm. Hi, my back, Steve. Hi. We will just ask them 3 questions, and from their responses, you decide who gets to represent you as a man or woman in our relationship world. So let's meet the male and female finalists. Dayo from Still My Queen, Kelvin from Husband or Headline, and Chike from Look Up I Am Here. And for the female finalists, Funke from Password Palava, Efe from Piece or Pieces, and Rita from Husband or Headline. Those are the states they came from, and you can check them out to understand their personalities even more before voting. Links in the video. So, no long speeches. Let's go for the gentlemen in this video. Let's meet them. Let's start. Hi all, ready for this? You know the drill. You answer the questions based on your characters and leave the final decision to the viewer. Question 1. When life is hard and you don't have enough to give the people you love, what would you do? Dayo. Thank you. First, I will be honest. If things are hard, I won't pretend not to know it. But I won't let it weigh me down, not the people I love. I will keep showing up, making it feel lighter with love, romance, and anything really that will keep the smiles on their faces. Kelvin? Okay, I will first assess the situation. What exactly is the problem? What do we have? What can we do? Because panicking does not produce money. And pretending you have what you don't have can create other problems. So they will know. I mean my loved ones. They will know that I will not stop until I get things resolved. Chike, I will not snap for one. I think when men are struggling, we tend to become quiet. Because we feel we have to fix everything, before anybody can see us. But I will rather carry them along, because they are the people I love. I believe they can be patient with you to come around. Question 2. When the person you love is angry with you, but you believe you are not completely wrong, what would you do? Dayo. I will listen first. Because when you are angry, you can only hear the parts that supports your side. If I love this woman, and I really do, then I should want to understand her too. So being the man doesn't mean that I must win every argument. Kelvin? Well, I will pause. Before I react, I will give myself time to separate the actual problem from the emotion. And if I am wrong, I will accept it. But if I am right, I will also communicate it respectfully. Because the goal is to solve the problem without creating another. And Chike, I will ask myself one question first. Do I want to be right? Or do I want us to be alright? So I will listen. And if I contributed to the problem, I own it. Not because I'm the man, but because I'm part of the relationship. And finally, a man can provide. A man can protect. A man can make his woman laugh. But relationships are not built on this alone. So here is my final question. What makes a man truly worthy of being called a good man in a relationship? Dayo.
Consistency. Anybody can be good, but everything is sweet. But when things are difficult, can I still trust your heart? Can you still be choosing us? For me, that's what makes a good man. Not perfection. The willingness to keep choosing the person you said you love.
Kelvin.
Character. Money can come and go. Even strength has its limits. But character is what determines what you do when no one is watching. A good man should have integrity, take responsibility for his actions, and know when to protect, when to compromise, and when to stand his ground. That's what makes somebody dependable. Thus, a good man.
Chike.
Willingness to grow. Because loving someone doesn't mean that you know how to love them well. You will make mistakes. You will have blind spots. But if you can listen, recognize them, and work on yourself, then the relationship will grow. I think a good man doesn't use his mistakes to remain the same.
We have heard all through, and that's the point of this manifesto. We are not asking you who do you like. We are asking who sounds like the man, whose character can carry the stories, the lessons, and the realities of relationship building. So the choice is yours. Help vote by commenting the name of the character on this video on YouTube. So gentlemen, thank you.